Wood, with its natural beauty and warmth, has always held a special place in our homes. From sturdy furniture to intricate carvings, it adds a touch of timeless elegance. However, wood is also susceptible to the ravages of time and wear. This is where clear coat technology steps in, providing a protective barrier that enhances and preserves the inherent beauty of wood. Over the past 2 decades, clear coat technology has advanced significantly, offering superior durability, longevity, and ease of use. These advancements have revolutionized wood finishing, empowering both professionals and DIY enthusiasts to achieve professional-grade results. Join me as we delve into the world of modern clear coats, exploring their benefits and providing practical insights for your next wood finishing project. Imagine a beautifully crafted piece of furniture, its surface smooth and inviting. Without a protective layer, this surface is vulnerable. Sunlight can fade its color, moisture can warp its shape, and everyday use can leave it scratched and dull. Clear coats act as a shield against these threats, forming a durable barrier that safeguards the wood's integrity. They provide resistance against water damage, preventing warping and swelling. They also offer UV protection, minimizing fading and discoloration caused by sunlight. Moreover, clear coats enhance the wood's natural beauty, accentuating its grain pattern and providing a lustrous sheen. Whether it's a high-traffic floor or a cherished heirloom, a quality clear coat is essential for preserving the beauty and extending the lifespan of any wood surface. Clear coats available today offer dramatically improved durability and longevity compared to their predecessors. 20 years ago, a clear coat might have started showing wear within a few years, requiring frequent reapplication. Modern formulations, however, are engineered to withstand the test of time. They boast exceptional resistance to abrasion, scratching, and impact, ensuring that surfaces maintain their pristine appearance for years to come. Advanced UV inhibitors provide superior protection against sunlight, preventing fading and discoloration, even in outdoor applications. Furthermore, these high-performance coatings exhibit remarkable resistance to moisture, mold, and mildew, making them suitable for a wide range of environments, from humid bathrooms to outdoor decks. This increased durability and longevity translate into less frequent maintenance, saving time, effort, and money in the long run. Water-based clear coats have gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. They offer a host of advantages, particularly for DIY enthusiasts and those seeking environmentally friendly options. One of the most significant benefits is their low odor and minimal VOC, or volatile organic compound, emissions. This makes them a healthier choice for both the user and the environment. Water-based clear coats also dry exceptionally fast, allowing for quicker project completion and reducing the waiting time between coats. Cleanup is a breeze with soap and water, eliminating the need for harsh solvents. While they may not offer the same warmth and depth as oil-based finishes, water-based clear coats provide a crystal-clear finish that beautifully showcases the wood's natural grain. Products like Seal Once Nano plus Poly offer exceptional durability and water resistance, albeit at a higher price point. For a more budget-friendly option, Olympic WaterGuard provides decent water resistance and protection. Eco-Advance stands out as a non-toxic choice, though its protective qualities may not be as long-lasting. Section 5. Oil-based finishes, classic richness and resilience. Oil-based clear coats have long been favored for their ability to enhance the natural beauty of wood, imparting a rich amber hue that deepens the wood's color and accentuates its grain pattern. They penetrate deeply into the wood, providing excellent moisture resistance and protection against warping and cracking. Oil-based finishes also offer superior UV protection, thanks to the UV-blocking solids present in their formulation. This makes them an excellent choice for outdoor projects or surfaces exposed to direct sunlight. However, oil-based clear coats do come with some drawbacks. They have a longer drying time compared to their water-based counterparts, requiring patience and careful planning to avoid dust particles from marring the finish. Cleanup also necessitates the use of mineral spirits, which can be messy and require proper disposal. Despite these considerations, oil-based finishes remain a popular choice for their unparalleled beauty, durability, and ability to withstand the elements. Ready Seal is a popular choice for its high UV and water resistance, while Oatrol Textrol, though more expensive, offers deep penetration and exceptional protection. Section 6. Polyurethane, the backbone of modern wood protection. Polyurethane, a revolutionary innovation of the 20th century, has become a cornerstone of modern wood finishing. Its exceptional chemical and moisture resistance, coupled with its durability and versatility, has made it the go-to choice for protecting wood surfaces. Available in both water-based and solvent-based, oil-based formulations, polyurethane offers a wide range of options to suit specific project needs. Water-based polyurethane dries quickly, emits low odors, and cleans up easily with soap and water. It provides a clear finish that resists yellowing over time, making it suitable for both light and dark wood species. Solvent-based polyurethane, on the other hand, penetrates deeper into the wood, offering superior durability and moisture resistance. It imparts a slight amber tone that enhances the wood's natural beauty, particularly noticeable on darker woods. Whether you choose water-based or solvent-based, polyurethane provides a robust and long-lasting protective barrier that safeguards wood surfaces for years to come. Section 7. Application methods. Finding the right fit. Modern clear coats offer a variety of application methods, each suited to different project types and skill levels. For small projects or contoured surfaces, wipe-on polyurethane provides an easy and convenient option. Simply apply the finish with a clean cloth, working it into the wood's grain for a smooth and even coat. Brush-on polyurethane is a versatile choice for both flat and curved surfaces. Choose a high-quality brush with natural bristles for oil-based finishes and synthetic bristles for water-based products. Apply the finish in long, even strokes, following the direction of the wood grain for optimal results. For a truly professional-looking finish, spray-on polyurethane is the way to go. This method requires an air compressor and spray gun, but it delivers a smooth, consistent coat free of brushstrokes. Spray-on polyurethane is ideal for large projects or intricate pieces where achieving a flawless finish is paramount. Whichever method you choose, remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and always apply thin, even coats for the best results. Section 8. Cost considerations. Balancing budget and performance. When choosing a clear coat for your wood finishing project, cost is undoubtedly a factor to consider. Water-based clear coats generally come with a higher price tag than their oil-based counterparts. This is attributed to their environmental benefits, ease of use, and faster drying times. However, the overall cost of a project involves more than just the price of the finish. Oil-based finishes, while initially cheaper, may require more labor for application and cleanup. The need for mineral spirits adds to the cost and necessitates proper disposal. Furthermore, the slower drying time of oil-based finishes can extend project timelines, potentially incurring additional expenses. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs, budget, and the desired outcome. For those prioritizing environmental friendliness, ease of use, and a fast turnaround, water-based clear coats are an excellent investment. If you're seeking a classic look, deep penetration, and exceptional durability, oil-based finishes, though potentially more labor-intensive, offer exceptional value. Section 9. Conclusion. A bright future for wood finishing. The advancements in clear coat technology over the past 2 decades have been nothing short of remarkable. Today's clear coats offer unparalleled durability, longevity, and ease of use, empowering both professionals and DIY enthusiasts to achieve professional-grade results. From the user-friendliness of water-based polyurethane to the classic richness of oil-based finishes, there's a perfect clear coat for every project and preference. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and high-performance clear coats to emerge, further enhancing the beauty, durability, and longevity of our cherished wood surfaces. Whether you're refinishing a treasured antique or embarking on a new woodworking project, choosing the right clear coat is an investment that will protect and enhance your creations for years to come.